we have had a pretty unprecedented event this morning. Before we proceed to the legislation, might I just say that we have had a pretty unprecedented event this morning, given the failure to present a quorum at the appropriate time. I think some people need to be aware of the responsibilities that they have in order to be here in the Chamber when legislation is to be discussed and debated. And I would say to those who look for more time to discuss legislation, to be conscious of the fact that when the time is provided, there's a responsibility on those people to be present. But there's a particular responsibility on those who have the formal responsibility of ensuring attendance, that they see that that attendance actually happens.
And on behalf of Fianna Fáil, I wish to begin by endorsing everything that you said about the farce that was the start of business today. We waited 35 minutes to get a quorum to allow business to start. It's unfair on the deputies that were here. And I understand that the person in charge of business was on her local radio station talking about Fine Gael leadership, which is a matter for the Fine Gael party. But when it impinges on business in the House, Ceann Comhairle, it's not good enough. I welcome the opportunity to speak on this legislation.